Okay, so in this video I'm going to quickly talk about how you're going to use Facebook bots. Facebook bots are used for a lot of reasons. Number one, I can do broadcasting, I can nurture my customers, I can do lead magnet delivery, I can do a lot of things. So option is I want to establish relationship with my customers on Facebook bots. And this is something very interesting. I'm on this tool which is Mobilemonkey. This is a pro package. Let's say this is just for sample which I'm showing it to you. So I've done some initial settings. I've connected my page with Mobilemonkey, and you can see that workshop on digital marketing tools. This is the first message that I want to send them to a messenger, because keep in mind messenger, they have got almost 100% open rate, which is higher than any other digital marketing strategy. So hi, are you struggling with digital marketing, looking for ways to engage with the audience? So I need to put, okay fine, so you can see that are you really confused about online marketing tools? And then I will show some typing so that it will show in a very natural way that I'm writing. It's not bot, I'm writing. So in fact this is a bot, but I need to write in a very human way. So the best part, it's free. I promise you to take skills to next level. Last few sheets remaining, and there's an image so that if they have any confusion, you can always see this image and they can go to this link as well. And then the best part is you can also tell me your top challenges, and me and my team will surely help you in solving the problem as well. So if I want to test this page, if I click here and if I click on open messenger, if you can also copy this link, and if I show this link to you, let's see how this will come. So I'll go to my Facebook page. So you can see that. Okay, so you can see, are you struggling with digital marketing? Free, this is the link. Are you struggling with digital marketing for ways to engage with the audience? Really confused? This is the link. Best part is free, and you can see the typing. So are you struggling? And then this will happen for some time, and join me for this exclusive workshop at CIE Ahmedabad from 6 p.m. onwards. And I promise, and best part is you can tell your top challenges, and that's how it works, right? So probably I'm going to broadcast this to all my subscriber list, but before you do it, you should have a strong strategy how you can build your subscriber list. The number one way to do it is start with messenger campaign on Facebook ads. So that can be easily done. I'll go back to my messenger. I'll finally check challenges. I need to make sure that, so challenges, and then I and my team can help. Now it's this, look, everything is fine. And then I should start with broadcasting. Then now you see I've created my message. Now I'm on marketing automation, which is chat plaster. You can do a lot of things. And then I'm going to name this campaign, which is workshop at CIE Ahmedabad, and the audience, okay, 62 contact list. That's okay. Test this plus, and I can always click here, which is send. So page, I need to check the page. So I've created this, which is workshop on digital marketing tools. You can always test this before you send. You can also click on send later. I'll click on send button, and now this message will be sent to 62 of contacts, because they are my subscribers, and now they will see my workshop as well. So we'll see this reports. You'll see these reports in some time, because I've sent this message to around 62 subscribers. And then you can always click here, which is view report. You can see there are some reports which are coming here as well, and you can see that open rate is 90%. So that is again very important, because immediately they will see this notification in their Facebook Messenger. And the best part which I love about the chatbot is you can create very easily. You just need to have strategy. You just have to understand these tools, and that can be done very easily. So if I click here, view report, so you can see that. So as of now, so 63 recipients. Probably will come back after some time. We'll see how many people are actually responding or reading that part as well. So that is again very important. And you can see view reports. So I've sent a message, I guess October 27, 2018, open rate and replied. You'll see all those details. Responded, you can see these people, they have responded. And that's why it's something interesting. You can always use chat bots in order to do this job as well. So I'll go back to my chat plaster. Fine, you can see the workshop CA. You can see 14 sent, 1 read. If I click view, you can see that these people, they are actually seeing my messenger. They're seeing my details here, and then I can see which all of them have read this. So this is again very important. This is a nice way to do a lot of work. Fine, so thank you. We'll meet you some other session as well. So we'll talk about these things in my coming sessions as well. Thank you.